Wonderful morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. So let us take a look on this report. Christine Charumbira Zanupe from Rakashi posted that on their way back from the independence celebrations, one of my deputy ministers had an accident just a few kilometers to Masvingo CBD, and she was rushed to the hospital. And we need to take a look on the cars which are involved. This is a government vehicle, an Isuzu, and this is a Land Cruiser as well, probably the vehicle she was traveling with. We do not know kuti zvinhu zvacho zvirimbofamba sei, because it seems as if dzakada kunoita head on ndobva dzangozononyonderana zvishoma zvishoma, and you cannot actually tell kuti who is wrong kana kuti zvinhu zvacho zvazvirimbofamba sei. So this is another picture, a more clearer picture inoratidza kuti zvinhu zvacho zvazvakamira sei. Then this is another picture as well. So from the look of things, it seems as if lane ravaifanira kunge vachishandisa ndeuko kune kamotikari kari kuapia on the other hand uku keblack ako. This is the direction avafanira kunge vachitora. The question is, vakazouya kuseri uku zvaita sei? I do not know. So it's said kuti ndozvo zvakaita. These are the pictures. Tsaona dzavakasangana nadzo, but there is no clarity pa name deputy minister ivapo kuti ndiani, but what we have noted is that munhu wechikadzi. Okay, zvikanzi, why are these guys always speeding? What is the rationale behind that idea? Like, all government officials are mostly on the rush half the time. Our roads and traffic scenarios might not be permissive at some instances. Okay, and we hope the minister advocated for better health in her constituency to ensure she receives her treatment at the government hospital. And we wish this could happen each and every after 2 weeks. Okay, and did the helicopters airlift them, or they developed malfunction? Okay, and they get well, but please, these guys get licenses, not zvekungopiwa because uri wemusangano. I'm noticing a lot of accident by these NPF officials, meaning their driving isn't perfect, because maybe my license is acho ndeyekupiwa. And so what happened here? Very rare for frontal smashes affecting left sides. Pane akanganisa kuita turn right in front of an oncoming vehicle. Wish them speedy recovery. Okay, zvikanzi panapa rushed to hospital for what? Spilling her chicken in on herself when the two cars kissed. Okay, face to face with the dysfunctional health system, and exactly where she belongs. They will take good care of her at Masvingo Provincial Hospital, and hope she goes to Masvingo General with its one ambulance. Okay, so these are contributions. And what a waste of a hospital instead of a mortuary. Okay, so we wish them speedy recovery. And muchaona kukosha kwezvipatara madi munoperera kuendeswa kuHarare mazano. And we wish a quick recovery. When we say the road is in bad state, people don't understand. I use this road frequently. This road still needs a lot of attention. So, judging by the appearance of the cars involved, it's not looking bad. And the maybe bigara zviya, so it seems like a minor accident. There were injuries. And the munopedzana gore rino chamakadya chinopfuka omuka mapfupa aya evashakabvu yezvoko. And plus ndedzemudanga. So I just love how these messed up roads are taking vene vayo. Beautiful to see. I hope. Okay, and hope she gets well soon. Okay, so personally, I believe kuti kana munhu achingawirwa nedambudziko, we need to actually be in solidarity with that person. No matter our political differences, accident is not something chinofana celebrate. This is my own take, but at the same time, let these authorities push for better infrastructure and the healthcare systems in the nation of Zimbabwe. I love you all. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for watching.